Hello friends, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are around the world. My name is God's Will. Today I'll be walking you through a step by step guide on how you can create your trading account with Deriv or Binary.com, and I'll be showing you how you can also create your account that can enable you have access to MT4 or MT5. So without much ado, let's proceed. So the very first thing you need to do is to have access to the site, which is either deriv.com or binary.com, any one of them. So if you're watching this video, I've actually dropped my referral link, which you can also use as a sign of appreciation to know what I'm doing. Thank you in advance. Once you find yourself on this page, the very first thing you should be doing is you will see something like this. Okay, so you click here, then you input your email address. I already have an account, but for the purpose of this video, I'll be creating a fresh account. Okay, so here I will input my email address. So I'll do this. Drillos. Yeah. Okay, fine. So this is my email. Then I'll click on create free account. All right. So here, thank you for signing up. Please check your email. So let's check our email. So this is my email. Okay, I already have an update. Let me see. Primary. All right. So here, the next thing I will need to do is to verify. Okay. Okay. So I will do this. I will verify this. Yeah. Okay. So all I need to do, I will come here, paste, then verify. Okay. So my it's not asking me to select my country. Here your country, then input a password. All right, so all I need to do is I'm from Nigeria, so I'll have to search for Nigeria. Okay, then my password, I will input my password. Yeah, so actually you need a strong password. The password here can be um you need a strong password actually, so it can be case sensitive. You can also add special characters. Okay, so both lowercase and uppercase are actually needed for you to have a strong password. So let me input my password. I'll be back in a minute. Okay, so we are back. So just click on create new demo account. All right, so you click on create new demo account. Proceed. Voila, so I've finally created an account. Yeah, yes, save my password. So I finally created an account. So this is what the account will look like initially when you create it. So it will ask you where would you like to start from. See, okay, fine. So just follow me step by step in order for you not to miss any of this step. So the moment you find yourself here after creating your account, to show you this interface, showing you this demo. Okay, so there's no cause for alarm. All you need to do is click here, this particular place, this small arrow, click on it. So once you click on it, it will give you the option of create account. All right, so here just click on create account. Okay, so once you click on create account, you will see this option. All right, so account type here is real account. Okay, so it's showing you the things you can actually trade here. Available markets, commodity, forex, stock indices, indices synthetic indices. Okay, fine. So you just need to go ahead and click on this place, create account. So you click here, and to give you this option. All right, this particular place you're seeing now is going to give you the option of trading with real money. So this is a real money account. This is not a demo account any longer. So what you need to do is click on this. This is what we are using USD. If you're using euro, you can use euro. You can use GBP or AUD. Any one of them that you're cool with. But for me, I'm going with US dollar USD. So I'll click on it. Then once you click on, just scroll down to the bottom. Click on next. Okay, fine. So once you click on next, to give you the option of inputting your name. Let me say. So my name is Godswill. So I'll impute my name and then your surname. You impute your name, your surname. Okay. So it will It will ask you to input all these details. So once you input all these details, the next thing you're going to click on next. So you put your date of birth, you input your um, phone number. Okay, so it will ask you to input your name, your first name, your last name, your date of birth, and your phone number. Please make sure all the details you're putting here are accurate. Don't put any fake detail, because if you do, it will have a negative effect on you. Later, make sure all the details you put here are valid details. Okay, so once you are done with all the details, the next you need to do is click on next. Click on next. So once you click on next, it will give you another option, which is to take you to the next stage, which is the step three, where it will ask you to input your address, all your details. So once you put that, it will take you to the next step. So let me quickly do this so we can go to the next step. So after you have completed the third step, so the fourth step is giving you some kind of terms and conditions, or like some kind of warnings or stuff like that. Okay, so you need to agree on these terms and conditions, and for you to agree. So I'm not a pep, and I have not been a pep in the last 12 months. Okay, so pep means a politically exposed person. All right, so you click that, and you agree to the terms and condition, and all you need to do is click on add account. This will just be it. So add accounts. Sorry, an account exists with those details. Oh, so why it's giving us this is like I said, I've already registered an account before now. So the details I actually used there is rejecting it. So let me just quickly run through them again. I'll be back. So I actually had to go and change those details. So you can see it's showing success. So you have added a USD account. So it's now asking us to make deposits, but not so fast. I want us to create all the necessary account down before we proceed to um, creating the other account before we talk about doing deposits. Okay, this is a one-time thing. I just want you to bear in mind. You don't need to keep repeating this process. To create this account is once. Okay, just take your time, be diligent with it, and create all the necessary account you need to create. Okay, so we go back to this same place. Okay, this same place. You click on it. I want us to create crypto accounts. So those accounts will actually enable us to make deposits into this account. So we are still under real accounts. Okay, so still under real account, not demo. So it creates, this is a real account still here. All right, okay, fine. So it creates, click on create account. So this time around, all these crypto accounts you're seeing here, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, USDC, Tether, and Tether, ERC20, and Omni, we're going to create everything just one step after the other. So let's click on add account. Okay. So at this point, you don't need to fill those details again, because we've actually filled it once. So all we need to do is just keep creating accounts, create account again, um, create account. So Bitcoin, you can see Bitcoin is no longer here. So the next one is Ethereum. You click add account. Okay. So Ethereum has been added. Next one, you click create account again. Just run the step, create account, add Litecoin. So I'll explain to you the reason why I'm doing all this just in a moment. So create account. So I'm adding USDC. So you keep doing this until you add all the whole account, all the whole account. Okay. So here. Okay. So we have successfully added all the accounts, the crypto account and the USD account. So when you click here, you will actually see all the accounts this place. Okay, so you click on it, so you can see all of them. See your USD. This is the demo account. This is the normal USD account. This one is USDT account, this first one. So there's this one is USDT account. So we have your Ethereum, you have your BTC, you have your Litecoin, you have your USDC, and you have your USDT. This is Omni. This particular one is Omni. This last one, okay. So these are all the accounts. Now the reason for creating all these accounts is some of them used to have limits, and at times one might not be favorable for you, so you can decide to use another one. So for me, I use Litecoin personally because the transaction fees are very very minimal, unlike every other one that are here. So for those of us who are in Nigeria, um, using crypto to make deposits would be one of the best option for instead of using the normal conventional bank because of the card limits. And then sometimes they don't also accept like Mastercard. I think they usually have issue with Mastercard, but Visa card goes very well on this platform. So having done this, the next thing we need to do, we need to create the trading account, the the account that will enable us to download MT4, MT5, and the rest of them. Okay, so for you to do that, this is where you come to this particular place. All right. So you click here, excuse me, so you click here. All right, so when you click here, what you should be looking at is you click you should be clicking on here, trade, this particular place. Okay, so you click on trade. So when you click on trade, sorry, click here. In front of trade, there is a small arrow. There's a small arrow, this arrow, you click on it, just tap on it. So when you tap on it, it brings this drop down for you. Okay, so once this drop down comes out, what you should be looking at is you need to click on MT5. Okay, so you click on MT5 here. All right, so once you click on MT5, we need to create another account again. This is the main account where our trading activities will be happening. The other account we created is where we put our money. So from there, you can now move your money to your real account. So you can create a demo account, you can create real account. So here we are dealing with real account. All you need to do is click on this place, enable it. Okay, so I'll click on it. Once it's enabled, I scroll down. So it's going to ask you, do you want to create a synthetic account, a financial account, or a financial STP account? So we're creating a financial account. So we are creating a financial account, which is this one, since we are doing trading forex. So if you are creating this other one, it means you are dealing on synthetic, there's crash and boom and the rest of them. So if you want to deal on currency pairs, so you do this one like Euro USD, USD JPY and the rest of them. You click here. Okay, so you're selecting this. So it's asking us next. So you can see when you look below, you will see your leverage, have leverage up to 1000. There's 1:1000, variable spread, market execution, no commission. So you click on next. So once you click on next, it will not ask you to enter your MT5 password. I usually recommend not using the same password. So you can use any password that you know you can easily remember. Case sensitive, have it in mind you need to use a strong password. Can be mixed. You have case sensitive passwords, special characters. Just have it in mind to do that. So I'm going to add. I'll just go ahead and just do a kind of password. Let me do this. Let me do this here. Okay. So this is what I'm using. So it's not too strong, but I'll just use this. This is just for illustration purpose. So all I need to do, I'll click on set MT5 password. Okay. So I'll click on set MT5 password, which is this. So click on it. All right. So let's allow it to load. Okay, so it has loaded. So right now our account has been created, which is this. So this is our MT5 ID, our login ID. So with the password you've created, you can now download MT5 and then log in into it. So this is basically how to create account. So I'll be doing another video to show us how we can fund this account. So this process is just to teach us how to create our account and our accounts, and both the MT5 and the normal binary or deriv account. Okay, so thank you very much. If you have any question or things you don't understand, please leave a comment on this video. Tell me the areas you think I should improve on as per this video.